One OT day, we found to our dismay that even the handpiece of our standby phaco machine was also not working. So we were challenged to proceed the surgery without extending the wound. That is when the concept of making the traditional Kerala steamed rice cake, the puttu, came to our mind. A hollow bamboo tube is stuffed with a rice dough and coconut and then steamed. Once it's ready, it's pushed out of the bamboo tube. Here we present manual small incision cataract surgery using 26 gauge needle, a blunt chopper, and an IOL injector with a cartridge. After hydrodissection, the anterior cortex is aspirated out. Using a blunt chopper and a 26 gauge needle, the nucleus is chopped into 4 quadrants. An IOL injector with cartridge filled with OVD and the piston halfway into the cartridge is then introduced into the anterior chamber. The nuclear quadrant is crushed against the cartridge tip and the major chunk is stuffed into the cartridge and the piece evacuated. The residual smaller bits of the nucleus are then visco-expressed. This is repeated multiple times, taking care to refill the anterior chamber with OVD as and when necessary. Cortex aspiration with bimanual IA or Simcoe, the IOL is implanted under continuous irrigation, leaving behind clear cornea with healthy endothelium. As the pre-chopping is done in the bag, there is no nuclear endothelial touch. The nucleus removal is done under OVD. There are no fast-flying nuclear bits damaging the endothelium. A modification of this technique uses a cartridge tip with a window cut at its base and an AC maintainer connected to a syringe with HPMC. Once the cartridge is stuffed with nuclear material, the piston is rotated and withdrawn, the nuclear material being evacuated through the window at the base with the assistant injecting OVD continuously. This technique can be used to remove residual nuclear bits in the presence of a PC rent also. Surgeons can practice this technique using nucleus removed during standard small incision cataract surgery. Pre-chopping and subsequently crushing and stuffing of the nucleus can be learned in vitro. We believe that this technique is a useful method in the armamentarium for cataract removal by keeping the wound small. Here we present cartridge-assisted cataract surgery, a new manual small incision cataract surgery through an unenlarged corneal incision for grade 1 to grade 3 nuclei.